Today I'm going to show a different variety of fish recipe which is baked with butter and spices. This is the special recipe for who wants to enjoy just fish without any other side dish. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special baked fish. For this recipe here I'm using 2 small fishes. Take the fish, make deep gashes on both sides. After making gashes, keep the fish aside and take 50 grams of unsalted butter. To this add salt to taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well and keep this mixture aside. Now take the fish, add 50 ml of vinegar and apply to the fish. Make sure that the vinegar touches each and every part of the fish. Drain the excess vinegar. Now add the butter mixture to the fish and apply well. Keep the mixture in gashes and inside the fish as well. Now keep the fish aside and take 2 medium potatoes. Cut them into small rounds. Don't cut too thick pieces. Now place the potato pieces in a baking tray. Here I'm using glass baking tray. Now sprinkle salt to taste and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now take 7 to 10 spring onions. Chop them finely and add on the top of the potatoes and spread evenly. Now on the top of the spring onion, add 2 star anise, 2 bay leaves, and handful of mint leaves. On top of the mint leaves, place both fish. Spread half lemon juice on top. Now cover with baking paper and on the top of baking paper seal with aluminium foil. You can cover directly with aluminium foil, but for healthy point, I'm using baking paper first. Now bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes. Adjust the time according to your oven. After 50 minutes, our juicy butter fish is ready. Really, you will enjoy eating this fish.